Ginger tea is considered effective for soothing a cough due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help reduce throat irritation. Ginger's bioactive compounds, such as gingerols and shogols, contribute to its medicinal benefits, potentially aiding in managing coughs caused by inflammation or respiratory infections. While ginger tea can alleviate symptoms, its effectiveness may vary depending on the cough's underlying cause. For persistent symptoms, consulting a healthcare professional is advisable to ensure proper treatment and care.